All right, guys, the results are in.
Oh, baby, let me change your life. You wanna see that you can be anything you want, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl and I for Kicks. I went ahead and selected a winner for the giveaway last night. However, I was feeling super generous, and since we didn't hit 1 but 200 subscribers, I decided let's give away 2 free shirts, 2 An Eye for Kicks merchandise. So our first winner was Sippin' Pretty. Got her information right over here, her Instagram, and then we went ahead and did the second giveaway. If you guys were involved in it and you were there with me live, you already know how it went. I do appreciate everybody that was involved, everybody that entered, everybody that's supporting me fully. Crazy appreciation for all of you. Our second winner was Aziah Snow. I've got her Instagram page right over here for you, and she also happens to be a fellow female YouTuber, so she does reviews and things of that nature. I've got her YouTube page also posted, her link. So definitely cannot wait to get these prizes out to these amazing, fans, subscribers. Again, thank you so much for everyone's support and for being involved. And, like I said in the live Instagram, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, who knows? Maybe I'll do a sneaker giveaway. Also, speaking of giveaways, if y'all can help me get 100 likes on this video. I've got over 200 subscribers. I know at least 100 of you guys can go ahead and like this video, and then I'll open up a raffle. We'll do a $15 a slot raffle for 2 to 3 of the retro Jordans dead stock that I currently have. So make sure you like this video and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss that raffle. All right, so let's get into the main part of this video. The pickups that I got today. Did make a random spur of the moment trip to the outlet at Sawgrass. Wasn't really expecting to find anything. That's why I didn't even film the actual, going to the outlet. But I found a couple things I was interested in, I thought were pretty good buys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so as I'm sure some of y'all that viewed my last video already saw, I did show this shoe. I actually kind of focused on it when I went to the outlet last time. I had to go back for it. It's just something totally different. It's not a retro Jordan, it is a Nike, but I like, it's something you can dress up. It's got the zebra print overlay to it. It's got the shadow looking, double swoosh on it. I thought it was pretty dope, and for $55, I can't really beat that. Oh, and the tongue of it actually has that exposed foam, like a lot of the Comfort Zooms, and even, I'm sure you guys have seen on some of the off-whites, especially the 4s. So definitely a big thing that Nike is starting to incorporate to a lot of their shoes. And these are actually called have a look at the box, the Nike Court Vision Low Premium. So again, not a super hype shoe, but being a sneakerhead is about what you like. Alright, so the second pickup that I got at the outlet today, actually a B grade retro. It's interesting because I know that they've done B grade retros at the outlets. They did the Mellow 13s that were having that bleeding issue. I just never actually saw the box in person, but it's got, it's got this stamp on it. I don't know if you can see that, kind of lets you know. And it also, if you can see, this is clearly not a retro box, but it does have the correct label on it. This is the Jordan 7, the Greater China. You can see that. So it's got the really cool, paper. It's like a really thin, almost see-through paper with the gold Chinese lettering. We get this up here so y'all can see it. Just kind of cool. I'm sure plenty of you guys, again, it's not like a super hype release. It is a B grade due to some cosmetic defects, but it's a super dope shoe. It does have, you can see the Chinese dragon on the side here, and like the almost in like a barely there print on the black suede or the nubuck of the shoe, carrying on to the toe of the shoe. And then on the other side, you've got this really cool, colorful Chinese like graphic print, almost like a Chinese tattoo style. And then you do have, you know, some embroidering Chinese letters on the tongue. But on this pair, because it is that B grade, it's gonna be really tricky to show this one. The tongue of the shoe actually has that B grade stamp as well. So I got a good look at the shoe. If you notice, it is a much larger shoe. It's a men's shoe. I do already have a home for it. Like I said, it's one of those things, I saw it when they came out. It was really dope. The fact that I found it in the outlet at a really good price. I mean, the defects are so slight that it makes it 1000% worth that lower price for it. So yeah, I was really happy with these finds at the outlet. You know, outlets can be so hit or miss. Sometimes you go in and see absolute bricks, and today I found a couple of things. In one of my recent videos, you guys saw I talked about my big sneakers W. I haven't hit in like forever, if ever, on sneakers. So like I explained in the video, the tracking was telling me that the shoe was not going to be here until March 2nd. So I had to wait almost an entire 2 weeks for the shoe to get from Nike to me, which is not super unusual. Again, we talked about the weather and the issue with the shipping containers tipping over in the ocean and all that fun stuff. But you'll imagine my surprise when today I got a knock at the door and I saw this beautiful Just Do It tape. Now, I'm just lying, guys. Listen, y'all already know I was tracking and stalking that package the minute I got that order confirmation, and then again the minute they told me that the package shipped. So I already knew I was gonna get this package today, and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. So without further delay, let's go ahead and rip right into this baby. All right, guys, so here it is. If you're a sneakerhead, you already know this is definitely a Jordan 1 box. So you already know I got those silver toes. Can't wait. The women's exclusive, absolutely beautiful shoe. I have seen it in hand earlier, prior to even the release, at one of the local resale boutiques around here. Absolutely gorgeous shoe. Look at this, guys. Please just take a look and admire this beautifulness that is this shoe. I personally am not a massive silver person, but the quality of this thing and, you know, just the versatility of it being just silver, white, and black. I mean, come on, how can you really go wrong with this shoe? And guys, the leather, like just the fact that it's the metallic leather. Jordan has done, you know, the gold toes and the patent leather, metallic golds as well, all being that super high shine patent leather that they do. I'm not a hater of them. The gold toes are fire. I have the metallic golds in my collection. I love me some gold. However, that complete patent leather shoe, it squeaks if if my feet rub together, and it just, to me, it has almost, again, this is just my personal opinion, but it almost has a cheaper feel to it than an actual like metallic-y leather. I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. You know, and I've heard different theories, you know, different things being said, like, oh, Well, the gold toe was, you know, a men's release, and so was the metallic gold, but the women's release, they get silver. So trying to be funny like, oh, the men get gold and the women just get stuck with silver. All right, whatever. I don't really care about all of that. Do I wish that they did gold? Probably, but you know what? I still think this is an absolutely gorgeous shoe, and I'm super, super excited to be able to add this to my collection. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys some on-foot footage. If y'all haven't done so already, or you know, you're just viewing something from my channel for the first time, please, please, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. As I said in the beginning, if I can get 100 likes, again, I have over 200 subscribers. I know that at least 100 of you guys can go ahead and like this video. If I can get 100 likes, I'll go ahead and set up a raffle. Like I said, it'll be $15 an entry, and I will put up 2 or 3 different dead stock retro Jordans that the winner gets their choice of. So you would get to pick one of the 3 for a possibility of $15 for the shoe. Guys, if you don't enter, you can't win. So make sure you also hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss the opportunity for the raffle once we do hit the amount of likes that we need. So let's go ahead and get into the shoes coming up that I've got my eye on. We do have the Jordan 4, the taupe haze. You know, pretty hyped up shoe. It's already experienced a couple pushbacks, so really excited to try to, you know, see if I can get a W on that. But the shoe that has even bigger space, you know, in my mind, in my heart right now, something that I've had my eye on since they dropped and appeared on Nike, or I'm sorry, on the sneakers app, are the blazers. Those ready-made collaboration blazers, the mids. They released in the black and orange, and then I believe white and black. I'm really shooting for those black and orange. I've watched the story behind it on sneakers. Like, I'm doing everything I can to try to help my chances. It's just a dope freaking shoe, and it's something different. I don't always want to do like the hype retro Jordan. I want something different, and I love orange accents in my sneakers. So guys, make sure you tune in next time, see if I got some W's again, or maybe I took a couple big fat L's. Who knows? Make sure you tune in next time, and it's your girl, an eye for kicks.